How to generate traffic using article marketing. You've probably heard people say that article marketing is dead. It isn't. People who claim that have never used article marketing in the right way. You see, they've been doing the start thinking marketing, which is sending lots of traffic to the article directories instead of their own site or blog. So forget about the Google Panda scare. Here's how you can generate traffic using article marketing. 1. Write longer articles. Aim at 600 to 1200 words. 2. Give it your best. Fill the article with valuable content. If you struggle with writing 400 words in an article at this point, you might ask, how in the world will I ever arrive at 600 words? Hot! Crazy, right? You'd be surprised how easy it is, though, when you start out with a different aim. Giving the best quality you can. Now, if your goal was to produce articles which would make your readers click at the link in your resource box and buy the products you were promoting, yes, it'd be hard to write small 400-word articles. With a different point of view, you'll be amazed to find yourself plotting out long, content-rich articles in no time. At this moment, you might be wondering, why? Why should I write longer articles and give away valuable content? To understand the answer, you have to go back to the basic definition of an article directory. Article directories are here not just to show your articles and make money themselves through ads, but to be a middleman between writers and e-zine owners. In other words, your goal with your article should be to get them syndicated. If one big list owner picks up your article, you can look forward to thousands of incoming readers. Believe me, this is much better than earning a click now and then directly from the article directory. The really successful article marketers are all agreed on this one. The best way to generate traffic using article marketing is to write with the sole goal of getting your article picked up and syndicated.